Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Are you eager to boost your investment income? Imagine earning cash while you sleep. Today, we'll explore 4 powerful high-dividend ETFs for July 2025. These are SPYD, SCHD, DIV, and RDIV. Stick around for a surprising tip that could change your investment game. Let's dive right into it. High-dividend ETFs are perfect for income-focused investors. They offer a way to earn dividends while diversifying your portfolio. This can minimize risk while you maximize returns. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. First, let's look at SPYD. SPYD ETF seeks to maximize income through dividends. The SPYD ETF dedicates itself to investing in stocks that provide high yields, making it an intriguing option for income-focused investors looking to enhance their portfolio returns. It embodies the strategy of prioritizing dividend income above all. It tracks the S&P 500 High Dividend Index. With an impressive yield, it's appealing for income seekers. SPYD prioritizes strong dividend-paying companies. This could lead to consistent income throughout the year. The SPYD dividend yield stands strong. In a world where investors seek not only growth but reliable income, the 4.45% yield of SPYD offers a beacon of hope. It invites those looking for a balance between risk and rewards, shining light on the importance of strategic market investments. Next up is SCHD. SCHD ETF has proven its reliability through steady performance over time. SCHD ETF not only exemplifies high-quality investments but also reinforces the importance of long-term strategy in achieving financial success. Its consistent returns make it a cornerstone for those seeking stability in an ever-changing market. The SCHD ETF is focused on companies with proven performance. It invests in firms. This strategic approach aims to provide long-term growth while ensuring consistent income through dividends, making it an attractive option for investors seeking stability. Ultimately, the SCHD ETF embodies a commitment to quality and reliability in investment choices, serving both seasoned and novice investors alike. SCHD focuses on sustainable investing through dividends. SCHD prioritizes financial stability. SCHD's commitment to financial health and growing dividends exemplifies its strategic approach, ensuring that investors benefit from both immediate returns and long-term stability. By prioritizing these aspects, SCHD stands firm in its dedication to empowering investors financially. The result? Historically, this fund offers robust returns. The SCHD dividend yield stands at 3.77%. This attractive yield presents an appealing opportunity for investors seeking consistent income. As a relatively stable option, it reflects both the fund's performance and the potential for long-term growth, making it a noteworthy choice for income-focused portfolios. Now, let's discuss DIV. The Global X Super Dividend ETF focuses on delivering substantial returns through dividends. The Global X Super Dividend ETF represents an attractive option for investors seeking to maximize income while tapping into the potential of global dividend-paying companies, ultimately aligning well with financial growth strategies. It invests in companies with hefty dividends. If you're seeking monthly income, DIV may fit your strategy. With a diverse range of sectors, it provides exposure to global dividends. The high dividend yield of 8% attracts investors. This impressive figure signals the potential for substantial income from investments, setting the stage for a favorable investment decision that could lead to growth and financial stability for those willing to seize the opportunity. Finally, we have RDIV. This newer entrant focuses on dividend growth. The RDIV ETF seeks to enhance your investment portfolio effectively by focusing on high-quality dividends. By investing in the RDIV ETF, you position yourself to potentially achieve growth and benefit from reliable dividend income, all while taking an informed approach to building your wealth over time. RDIV selects stocks with potential for future payouts, making it unique. This fund relies on rigorous screening to find promising companies. The RDIV dividend yield stands at 4%. This yield presents an attractive opportunity for investors seeking regular income from their investments. The steady performance reinforces confidence in RDIV, suggesting a reliable addition to any portfolio aimed at long-term growth and stability. Consider the advantages carefully before making investment decisions. Here's a quick comparison. SPYD is all about yields, SCHD about quality, DIV for global dividends, and RDIV for growth. They cater to different investment styles. Combining them provides a well-rounded approach. Now, remember that investing carries risks. Always consider your financial goals. Research each fund thoroughly before investing. Understanding what you're investing in is crucial. As you navigate your financial journey, remember that knowledge is a powerful tool. Embrace opportunities to learn and seek guidance when needed. Continuously striving to expand your understanding and connect with experts is essential. By remaining proactive in your financial education, you lay the groundwork for a prosperous future. Emphasize the importance of adapting to new information and changing circumstances, ensuring that your financial decisions are both informed and strategic. Keep advancing towards your goals, and success will follow. Are you still with us? Here's the special tip. Consider automating your investments. By consistently investing, you take advantage of market fluctuations, which can significantly enhance your financial growth in the long run. In essence, establishing a routine of contributions not only boosts your investment potential but also paves the way for financial stability. Over time, these disciplined efforts can lead to substantial wealth accumulation, making a notable impact on your future. To sum it up, SPYD, SCHD, DIV, and RDIV are powerful tools for generating income. Each offers unique benefits and risk profiles. Review your investment goals and choose what best fits you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with friends. Join us in exchanging ideas and experiences for mutual growth. Together, we can thrive. By actively participating, you can help foster an environment where everyone benefits from shared knowledge and support. Let's build connections that empower us all to reach our full potential and make a lasting impact in our community. Your journey to smarter investing starts now. See you in the next video.